Long way down. Just climbing up a bunch of stairs. A lot more to go.
We're gonna fly.
What?
Dude, that's fucked.
Why are we doing this? This is fucked. Straight down.
Straight down, baby.
Oh, dude, this is so scary. What the fuck?
Holy fuck. Holy shit, man.
Hey guys, a bridge. Let's go across it. Boogie. We're a bunch of mountain goats.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you want to hold this for me?
Wow.
That breeze feels so good. Straight up. Holy fuck.
We out here chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't do it.
Yeah, he fucked his back on a rope swing. Turn around.
Yeah, it's all red.
There's like 2 red marks. Yeah. What are you guys doing?
I don't know. Throwing logs in water.
Okay. Cut. Ready? Cut to them throwing in the log.
Oh, that was dust. That was bad.
After all that.
All that effort, and it was good shit.
And now it's floating back. Cool little waterfall. That's some glacier water.
He's slippery. Something up.
Alright guys, we went for a hike. Well, I don't know, it was like up a bunch of stairs and shit. I'll probably make like a montage or something. I wonder if you guys can even hear us because it's so windy.
You're not gonna hear it.
Yeah. Yeah, well we went to, what is this place? Fintry?
Fintry Falls.
Oh, something in my eye. Yeah, we went to Fintry Falls. A little bit of swimming, ice water though, so it's so cold.
I haven't even swam in it, but I
Yeah.
know it's cold.
Yeah. Yeah, now after this we're going to a lake. It's like, total it's like an hour from our houses, but like we went the back way on West Side Road, so
Most dangerous road in Canada, baby.
most dangerous road in Canada. Check out that other video. Link will be in the description. We're going there. We're gonna do some cliff jumping. It'll be kind of sick.
Oh, there's a dog!
We heading back. Holy fuck. Heads up for this, Alec. Watch out for that. So yeah, we had to go some off-roading to get to the spot.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room.
So, just went to Canadian Tire.
Harvey, I got cash for you.
What are you carrying, Harvey?
Boys bought a drone, baby.
Oh, go get some aerial footage.
I'm moving up. Quite literally.
You know, that would actually be so cool at Kalamaka Lake.
Dope.
Dope.
Oh, dude, that'd be. All right. So we're on our way to. Oh fuck! That's Trip. Yeah, left up. I think we're getting to some cliffs. Huck some shit off them. Hell yeah! Get back to you guys when we're there.